Beautiful angels, this is Miss Trixie from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your what is their current feelings, how your person is feeling. We're gonna look at it in detail, friends. Today, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. Yes, subscribe, like, share, because you get a chance to win a free reading, friends. One person, one random lucky winner will be selected to win a free reading. Especially for those who subscribe, like, and share. And friends, this is a general reading. Just a second. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime and it will still resonate and help you out in some way. So, friends, let's see. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot for personal reading. Visit our website. Yes, friends, visit our website, www.magicventstarot.com. So, let's see, friends. This is, let's see first, how your person is feeling, what's going on. We will take some love scrolls from them. Also, let's just jump into this reading, and without any wasting time, for those, wow, I'm always in a pick a card. So let's see what's currently happening. What's their theme, what's your person. Think of your person, just take a moment, relax, take a deep breath. Perfect. And let's take a theme for how your person is feeling, how our viewer's person is feeling. Ooh, two of friends, this is interesting. This person is missing you, they are remembering you. I also feel that your person is getting ready for commitment or partnership. And maybe you are twin flames, or maybe you are in separation with this person. I see this distance because I see like you both are in no contact or in separation, but this person is missing you. They really want a relationship, they really want to offer you love is on their mind, you are on their mind. And how what's going on. Okay, a lot of cards are jumping out. Let's take this. Wow, Seven of Swords. I think this person regrets losing you out. Maybe you have, maybe you both are not in contact anymore. Maybe they ghosted you, left you for another partnership or another person. I think they regret it now. They really regret it. In fact, they are looking behind now at you, your life, like how you are doing, what's going on with your life. I also feel your person is currently looking at the in the past, like how things were with you and between them and you, how things were. They are really missing out on something, and I think they are trying to analyze the situation, like how good things were when they were with you. So a lot of things are going on in this person's mind. I also feel maybe this person is currently in another relationship, but they are not happy because they are cheating, or they feel cheated. Because you know why? This is like, ooh, karma hitting them back. I don't know, I think they left you because they thought like they can live without you, or maybe the other person, maybe the other person is good, but right now they are not good. No, they are not feeling good. In fact, they are looking at your life and wondering, wow, they have everything. I don't have anything. They are missing you. They are missing this partnership with you. They want it back. If they lost it, or if they choose someone else, a third party, they regret it. Let's see, what is the current theme? How is this person feeling about our viewers? Oops, sorry, King of Pentacles. Yeah, this person, they want to be this. They chose money, they chose they chose all the wrong things instead of love, so they regret it now. They chose money, they chose they chose someone, parents, family, career. They chose maybe their ex-wife, ex-husband, or somebody else. They chose everything wrong, and they are sorry for it. Definitely this person has chosen the wrong things, and now they regret it. So let's see how they feel about our viewers, how this person is feeling about our viewers. Please give few cards, clear messages. Okay, that went out. Four of Swords. Yeah, this person is thinking a lot about you but not taking action. Your person wants to value you. See, Ace of Cups. They want a new start. They want to come back and, be in a happy friendship or relationship with you. But they are like scared. They are very scared. If this person is single, they are definitely scared to come towards you. And if they are married, they still love you, friends. In fact, they love you now more because, um being with another person has made them realize, or this distance has made them realize that they miss you. Also, Nine of Cups. They really feel happy when they think about you. They really want to be with you. They really want to share their love, their emotions, their affection. So they are thinking very emotionally, very deeply, and very lovingly about you. Even if they are with another relationship or another person, they are not happy. They are like, happiness was you, happiness and is you, happy, their smile is you. If they are single, they still want to express their love, come towards you and share their love towards, shower you with love. But I see they are not taking action because they are like, I don't know, I think they really ditched you or they ghosted you. So now they are scared of coming back. How this person feels about our viewers. Yeah, they want to take action. They want to come and grab you in your arms, grab you, kiss you, smooch you. They want to make action towards you. They just can't live without you. They want to be quick, quick, quick. This person is like, wow, suddenly they realize that now they can't come and go, out of your life like they earlier used to. Now they can't call you like they used to. And this is breaking their heart. They want to start a new start, a new start with you, a new friendship, a new celebration. Maybe your birthday is coming, so they will want to message you. I do feel they are going to message you, or they want to, or I feel they are about to message you. For some of you, next 4 hours, next 4 days, maybe 4 weeks, your birthdays are coming. This person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You could be these sun signs. Oh my god, cards are flying out. I'll pick them up, don't worry. How is this person feeling? 10 of Swords. Yeah, they are scared. That's why they are not taking action, because they are scared of the ending that happened. Maybe they just ghosted you one fine day, or they left you, rejected you for another person. Now they are sorry. Because now they can't find love like yours. They can find flings, they can find one night stands, they can find maybe a relationship or a marriage, but they can't find love. Love is precious. When love is there, we don't value it. When it's gone, we suddenly realize it. Oh my god, it was the diamond and that we lost, amidst. So this person has done this. They have destroyed this on their own, and now they are sorry. They want to come back. Maybe this person is suffering from health issues or family issues, like financial issues. Maybe they are facing from, health issues, financial issues. I don't want to say this, but maybe someone's health in the family is not good. Maybe not this person, but someone else. So that's why they are also not able to spare time and come towards you. Okay, my god, cards are flying. I have to take them up now. The cards that flew out were the Moon and the Magician, and the card on the table was the Hanged Man. I definitely feel this person is taking some time to review this connection, to understand. They definitely now understand that this is not a natural, or this is not just a usual relationship. This connection between you and this person is deeper, and things are, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you or make a move towards you. I also feel they are waiting for some other things to shift in their life or end, like maybe health issues, or maybe like, there someone in the family is having financial issues, or they are having financial issues. So they are waiting for things to resolve in their life so they can come back and have this new start, or come back and be your friend again. I definitely feel this person is trying to manifest you. they are trying very hard to make you come back in their life in some way. They also feel that you are quite magical, this connection, this relationship with you. Even though you may not be in touch and contact, this person can really feel you, they can understand you, they can feel you. They just close their eyes and they can feel you there, kissing, smooching, and like being around them. So they are very passionately in love with you. And you know I don't think so. This person has ever seen anything like this. They were not expecting it. So, this is something different they have found. This is a magical connection. This is something unique. And if they are single, they definitely are trying to figure out ways to come back to you, because they somewhere feel the moon, they are scared that you will not accept them. They are also scared that maybe you are in a relationship or you are dating other people, or in other relationships. So they are scared that if they come back, they will get right away rejected. It will hurt their ego if they message you. So I think they are trying to wait for some reasons to message you, like the new year was here, so they might message you then, or in the future, like some celebrations. They want to message you when it is when it doesn't seem so awkward for them. This person also keeps dreaming about you, friends. Their dreams haunt, you are haunting them. You keep their dreams are all about you. They dream a lot about you, your messages, your signs, your name. So they are like, why this person? You also might be feeling the same, like, this person's name or their feelings haunt you. So you're like, what's going on? Let's see what else. How do they feel about this connection? How does this person feels about this connection? King of Wands, yeah. They want to be this person, they want to be your husband, your wife, they want to be your divine masculine, feminine, they want to be officially yours. And I don't know what this person has done to be away from you, but they are not happy about it. They constantly stalk your social media, they constantly dream about you. In fact, they feel guilty because if they are in another relationship, they are still overflowing in love with you. They may be married, but they are still in love with you, and they still, and their heart is yours. And it is quite amazing because they may be in another relationship, but still everything about is you for them. They stalk your social media, they think about you every day, they sleep thinking about you. And in fact, they feel a little guilty if they are married or if they are with another relationship. They do feel guilty about it. God. All right. See, they want to create some changes in their life, They want to end things in their life so they can come towards you and make some changes. They also feel the past has become too heavy for this connection. Like they can't resolve the past issues, you and this person. So they want to end it. They want to heal the past between you and them, so things can get better. And sorry it took me such a long time to do the, relationship reading here, because I don't know, just time just keeps flying these days. No matter how hard I try to keep it up, it's just always flowing. Yeah, what to do? The Wheel of Fortune, time. Time is the money. So I wanna sing. Don't think it's a good idea though. So, yeah, this person is waiting for the right time. They are waiting for the right time. They are waiting that destiny and luck will bring you together. They are also waiting for things to shift, in your favor, in this connection's favor. They are also waiting that somewhere you will change your mind about this person. Like you feel they are egoistic. Of course, they were behaving egoistically, they were behaving selfishly. So they are waiting, like you will see their heart, you will see their passionate side. They know that divine timing is at work in this connection. And if you are in long distance, this person is planning to make a trip towards you, or maybe they are from your city, but right now they are in another country or city. So they are waiting that when they visit the city or country, they might meet you, and pretend like, oh, this is all just like by chance. So they are waiting for the right time for the things to change. What is this person's next action move towards our viewers? Their next action or move towards our viewers. Four of Cups. I feel they are waiting and waiting and waiting and planning and planning and planning. It's like, God is telling them, hey, go, 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 knock the door. She's ready, he's ready, go. They are like also telling, they are nudging. God is like, go, just make a move. But your person is like, maybe this is not the right time. It is funny, sometimes it happens with all of us, that we see the signs but we can't act. So that is how they are feeling. Queen of Pentacles, yeah. I feel they are scared of the other person in their life or the family members. I also feel this person is slightly scared of you, because they feel like if they come back without any preparation, you will just never see their face, just not talk with them, because you are doing very well in your life, you are doing successfully well in your life, financially, emotionally. So they are like, should we come and say hi, or should we just go away? They are a little scared of you. They are also scared if they are in another connection. They are like, what the other person will say, what the mother, what the family will say. But I think they are also a little scared of you, our viewers. Their future move, Six of Wands. Yeah, they want to be successful with you. That's what they want. Success with you, love, proposals, and a new start with you. But they are so scared of acting, so scared of taking an action or move towards you. Let's see. I want to use the other decks also. Let's see. So their future move, this person's future move, the world, yeah, they want to cut the distance between you and them. They want to be your friend. They want to tell you stories, what is happening in their life. They also want to be with you. So what is this person's future move towards our viewers? Abundance, King of Pentacles. We also have the King of Pentacles. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I think this person wanna take care of you, but they are still a bit selfish. They are still a bit like, yeah, I'll make a move when the time is right. I decide when I make a move. They are still a bit selfish. A bit show-offy. This person's next move towards our viewers. Conditioning, yeah, this person, if they are your twin flame, they are still not yet awakened, or they are in the process. I do see they are getting closer to understanding this connection. The love between you is growing, but they still are a bit selfish, I would say. That's the word. Understanding, the king, the knight of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I do feel, friends, this person is like, should I follow my ego or should I follow my heart? That's where their problem lies. Their heart is full of love for you, but they are not taking action. So they are like, what? That's why they are stuck here. And you see the moon and the sun, so they are like, should I follow my heart, should I follow my ego? Sun is about ego. It is about, not about ego, but you can feel like it is about their ego right now, that I am important. The moon is like, we are both important. She is important, he is important, this connection is important. That's their problem. Maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to be mature with you and they are really struggling with it. Really struggling, friends. This person has a tendency to behave immaturely, egoistically, and sorry to say, this person has a tendency to behave like, I am the best and my decisions are never wrong, even though they know they are wrong, but they will not come up and own it. So they are struggling with that, but I do feel they want a solid new start with you. If they are single, they definitely want to come back. Even if they are in another connection, they are trying to be friends with you, at least trying to patch up things with you, so that they can find peace and you can find some peace in life. And look at that patience. Yeah, this person is like, she's the one, he's the one for you. They know that, and they know time is coming very, very close to be with you. They just, I don't think so, they know, you both are destined to be together, or you both are destined to resolve the past issues and start fresh as friends, or as soul friends, or soulmates. Sometimes, I do see, yeah, you may be, you make good friends also. Maybe you are colleagues or you work together, so you have that potential that you can have a good friendship, even a good relationship with this person. I don't know, but some of you may end up as friends in future with them, but there is a very strong chance for some of you, you will end up with this person as a couple, as marriage potential, but it needs some time. You need to keep your patience. Look at that, the burden, 6 of Swords. This person is burdened, friends. They have a lot of burdens. They are putting more burdens on themselves. Maybe they have children, or they have financial issues, or families looking, family is pressurizing them, or maybe they have some legal issues. I don't know, they travel a lot. It feels like, they need some time to fix these issues. Silence, yeah, that's why they are keeping silent, and they are not sharing their feelings, because they love you, but they don't have anything to commit to you right now, so they are a little scared. If they come without commitment or future or any plans, you might just rip them apart. So how does this person views you currently? How do they view you? What do they see about you or think about you? Possibilities, yeah, they see a lot of possibilities in this connection. They are like, if they can't love you, if they can't be with if you don't accept them as lover, they will try to be your friend, because they want to be beside you. How do they view our viewers? How does 5 of Totality, 5 of Wands? Yeah, they also feel that you are very bold, our viewers. You are very bold, you are also very strong. So somewhere, there is a difference of choices, or difference of interest between you and them. Like, if they come, you will not accept them, you will fight, you will stand up for yourself. That is how they see that you are bold, you are confident, you are not afraid of fighting or saying the things. Even, you're not a people pleaser. That's how they see you, and it's a good thing. And they know that. Projection, they see you as their mirror. You mirror each other. They see you like, you are their mirror. That is why they are scared, because when they behave egoistically, you are going to do the same. You will, when they are kind, you are kind. When they are egoistic, you are egoistic. So they are a little scared of you. Let's see. So how does this person feel? How do they feel about your feelings? Do they feel like you love them? Okay. Yeah, 2 of Swords. They feel like you are confused about them. Or maybe you are, you don't trust them. That's how they feel. Our viewers don't trust this person. This person feels that our viewers will not trust them if they come back. And you are very cautious around this person. Our viewers are very cautious now, how they will do, what they are doing, where they are, whatever they say. You are very cautious, and somewhere you don't want to live moment to moment. You want something. This person feels like, firstly, you will not accept them if they come back. Secondly, our viewers are like, very cautious when this person is near. You guys are also very busy with work and career, maybe with another relationship. That is how they feel. So, you won't accept them even if this person comes. Also, they feel you are very enlightened, you are very awakened consciousness. They have this card of conditioning. Look at that. They are in ego, and you are the wise one. That is how they see that you are this little Buddha, this little Buddha, and you are very amazing. But they are like, what am I supposed to do? That's how they see. You are very wise. They see you as very wise person. So, what is blocking this connection? Let's see that. What is blocking this connection? Success, yeah. I think your person is just thinking about themselves, and that is the block in this connection. You also you want to make this relationship a success, but your person is like, nah, I'm too focused on my success. Maybe they are married, so they are like, my life is already a success. Why should I bother? So success has become a problem. Maybe they have financial issues, so that has become a problem. Maybe you are also busy working now, so, or busy focusing on your life, so that is also becoming an issue now. So everyone is focusing on their success rather than the relationship success, so that is becoming a block. Ego is becoming a block. Tigers, power struggles, I focus on myself. And long distance, you can see the globe here. So long distance is also a big problem in this connection now. It's acting as a block. Okay, lots of cards. I won't take them all, but I'll take the ones that have fallen just like here. Rebirth. It is time, this the thing that needs to happen now is a rebirth. Something needs to change now for this connection to move ahead, and definitely there is a chance of a rebirth or a renewal or a reunion happening for most of you. I see this person will message you in the next 4 hours, next 4 days, or the next 4 weeks. Because maybe they are, if they are single, it might be in 4 hours. I think they might have messaged you 4 days back also, because on the New Year, I see they are messaging you on a celebration, around a celebration. So 4 days back, there was a New Year. They might have messaged you for some of you. For others, in the next 4 hours or in the next 4 days. For some of you, it may take a bit longer, 4 weeks, because I don't know, this person is a bit I mean, they are busy, they are stopping themselves. Postponement. Four of Swords was here also. Twice this card has come. So yeah, they know this is their, they know you are their destiny, but they are just waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. So what does this person want to say to our viewers? Okay, a leg up, number 34. Yeah, they are trying to they are trying to balance their life. They are also trying to um, they are also trying to become better human beings. I think they were not very mature in the past. They are working on it, round and round. Number 25. They are actually frustrated with that you are not ready to forgive them or look past their mistakes. That is what they want. Like, forgive me, forget the past, and let's start fresh. And you may be like, no, I can't forget the past. I remember what you did. You ghosted me. You married somebody else. I remember that. I can't forget it. And peace in reverse. Who? They say they want to make peace, but they know that you are not ready, or they are not coming. They know that something needs, for peace, for making this connection a peaceful connection, a loving connection. Maybe they need to commit marriage to you, they need to come towards you, bring you a gift or something. You see this egg, a new start is going to happen, but they are not yet ready. So they are telling you there is still time, don't give up, keep the hope alive. Let us see what is happening, what's happening behind the scenes in this connection, what you don't know, that person doesn't know. Choose your battles. Seven of Wands. Yeah, your person is fighting a lot of challenges you are not aware of. There is a lot of challenges they are fighting, maybe themselves, maybe they have depression, anxiety, or maybe, this person is having financial issues or issues at work and family. So, or maybe if they are married, there is a lot of conflict, argument, drama. Crown chakra. You are both connected. No, both 7 cards. Look at that. You are both mirroring each other. You may not know, but you are still connected with this person. This connection is real. You both are, very strongly connected, friends. You can feel their emotion, they can feel your emotions. This is a telepathic connection, and this is a spiritual connection. You both are growing and developing and improving. So give it some time, and let's see what is happening behind the scenes in this connection. Reach out. 3 of Wands. Yeah, this person is going to talk to you. They want to talk to you, they want to make things better, and maybe it will take some time, but they will reach out to you, they will talk to you, and they will try to work things out with you. So let us see what else, what you need to do, our viewers need to do for this connection, or in this connection. Anything our viewers need to do. Okay. Imagination, imagine all the people. That's a good song. Imagination, wow. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. Imagine, friends. Imagine what you want in this connection. Imagine, think, and what do you really want to manifest in this connection? What your heart wants? Do you want to make this connection better? Do you want to be with this person? Because there is a very, 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 very high chance of you being together in the future, but you need to manifest it. You can imagine it. If you imagine good things will happen. If you imagine bad things, they won't happen, but the good things won't happen. The bad things won't happen, but the good things will be, because you are not imagining them. It's like, okay, failure. I saw the card failure. Let's take it. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. I think this person has failed you. You feel like, they failed your dreams, they failed your wishes, your promises, they kind of let you down, this relationship. Or you, if you are a man, maybe, you feel like you were a failure, that you were not enough for this person. So, somewhere you feel like things didn't go as planned. So, you need to change that. In fact, you need to focus on, what do you want in this connection? Imagine it, think about it. It will happen. Let's see some advice for you, what you need to do. Okay, let me just pick the deck without moving the camera. Yep. Advice for our viewers. What our viewers need to do regarding this connection. Advice. View from above, get the bigger picture. Yeah, look at the bigger picture, friends. I think you are looking too closely that this person left you, they got married, maybe they are too busy in their life, they don't care about you. I think what is happening is right at this point of time. Maybe for some of you, another person is coming or another better connection is coming. This was a learning experience. For others, whatever is happening, it will resolve, and things will get better in this connection only. So advice for our viewers: look at things from a different angle. Begin now, take your first step. Yeah, it is time for you, friends, to move towards a new place, or perhaps think in a new way about this connection. Also, I feel that it is time for you to maybe for some of you to travel, or find new friends, make some new friends. Even though this connection is there, they will always stay in touch with you. But maybe you need to message them, for some of you, because they are going through something. Any other advice? Get ready for new horizons. Yeah, for some of you, friends, new people are coming. Whether you want it or not, new people are coming. Ascending the mountain, keep moving forward. I think this person and you will reunite at the time when this person has ascended, and they are at your ascended in the sense that their heart is ready to open for you, when their problems in life are resolved. Maybe it will take like 4 hours, 4 days, 4 weeks only. For some of you, maybe it may take longer. So you will meet again with this person, and very quickly. So it is time for, if you are focusing on yourself now, perfect, friends, you are doing the right thing. If you are ready, some of you, it may be a good idea to stay friends with this person right now. Yes, go for it, but don't stop your life for them. Answering the call, the time is now. See, all the cards are about now. Far away places. Get ready for new horizons. Take your first step. Begin now. The time is now. So focus on the present moment, friends. Don't focus too much in the future, otherwise things will get confusing. Let's see some romance angels. Separation. Yeah, this time apart is necessary from with this person. It is necessary. Why? Not for you, for them, because they need to resolve some issues in their life, and they need to work on those things. Okay, let's take it. Pay attention to the red flags, the signs are cautioning you. Yeah, this is not the time to pressurize them, cry, or waste your time. This is not the time. The time is, give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. The best thing you need to do now is imagine, heal yourself, let the past go, and think what you want in this connection for the future. Or if you want any other connection, think about it, think what you want, and make peace with it, because there is a strong chance this connection will work at the right time. It is coming very soon for some of you. For others, it may take like 4 to 6 months to get this connection back on track. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner. You see, yeah, they are the one for you. That's absolutely sure. But something needs to be worked out before things can move ahead in this connection. Some love scrolls from this person. Oh my God, dropped love scrolls. Marriage in 2 years, yeah. So you will be getting married in 2 years, probably with this person. Unblock me, please. They are saying that unblock me, please. Secret admirer is coming for some of you. Maybe a new person is coming, or they are already there. That is why this person is keeping an eye on you. I will marry you. See, they are confirming they will marry you. Not to worry. I miss you so much every day. I miss you all day. See, there are two miss you cards here. So they do miss you. They are keeping an eye on you. Even if they are married, they are constantly watching you. I want to meet you now. For some of you, they may be planning to meet you very soon. I want to kiss you. I told you. This person is all gaga about you. A happy meeting or reunion is coming soon. Yes, friends, it is coming. And can we go back to the happy days? Oh, that's so sweet. They really miss you, friends. You can believe me, if not them. You are my song. Oh, there is a music connection. Yeah. Within a year? Yeah, it will take some time. Maybe, it won't take a year, but I do feel just some time before they can come back. Phone call? They are waiting for, phone call is coming. Your kind heart changed me. Ooh. Good news will come soon. I will win you back, my love. Oh my god, this person is possessive. They are possessive about you. You trigger me, yeah. If you say anything to this person or if you choose someone else, they are like, ooh, so jealous, They just are envious if you choose someone else. So they are keeping an eye. And I pray that this gets better for you. Subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Miss Trixie saying bye for now.